this, I think this cardboard. This is but I need a little bit more tinted. Anyway, I love this. And I got a free gift. You know guys, you have to go shopping these days. If you go, you get all of the brands like MAC, Estee Lauder or Dior, Chanel, everything you'll get. favorite serum. I have lots of serums, but this is the one I all the time keep using it. This is really a best serum all time, for all ages. I love this. I really do not like to waste just a drop. See, that much worth to me. See, and okay, let's get to the free gifts. What is the gift and all is useful for me. Let's see. A surprise. Well, this is such a beautiful, oh my gosh, the tub. This one is Estee Lauder Day Wear Eye Cooling Antioxidant Moisture Gel Cream. I don't use any eye creams. It looks so nice. I can use for my face. So beautiful package. And the next one. Wow, what a beautiful, oh my gosh, this is free gift. Oh my gosh. For these three, actually if you get 2 products and you get this much gift back, and I bought these 3 for £130, but for you will get only with the 2 products you get 3 gifts. And that one, Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. Oh my god, this is also not useful for me because I don't use eye makeup remover because I use only mascara for my eyes. That is 3D mascaras, so I don't use any eye makeup remover for that mascara because I just apply water and rub it, it will go itself. That's all. So this is also not useful for me. It's also not useful for me. And what is this? This one, Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer. Oh my gosh, this also I'm not using. I don't use primer as well to my face. Primer is the product that you use before the makeup, you know, but I don't use any primer for my face. Let's see how the consistency is. This also I'm not going to use this. I don't know if I can give away for somebody else. They're using the primer. Alright, it looks nice. I don't want to learn to use primer. Okay, there are another thing. It's a pencil. What the pencil is? Double wear stay in place lip pencil. Here, stay in place lip pencil. But this also I don't use pencils at all to my lip. Oh my gosh, I don't use, this is a nude color, but I don't use this one. I always go for pink and peach light colors to my lips. I don't use this one. It's also I don't use. And it's another one. Let's see, what is it? Wow, wow, so beautiful. Look at, oh my gosh, this is a baby Estee Lauder A&R serum. You see the baby of this. Baby of this, look at this, beautiful. Oh my gosh, so much. This is very worth for me. So I love this, getting at least this one as a gift for these 3. I'm so happy of this. Okay, let's see the other one. This is the last one. Wow, oh my god, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's also not my color because it's a kind of brown. It's a nude brown. Oh my gosh, it's also not my favorite. It's not useful for me. Oh no, oh my gosh, what is this then? Wow, this is a big package. What is that? Estee Lauder Day Wear Multi Protection Antioxidant 24-hour Moisture Cream. This is maybe useful, but the thing is I don't want to jump to this to that, that to that, that to this, because you know I'm kind of addicted for that kind of habit. Maybe if I have no cream I'll use before I use this, maybe it will expire, you know. So we will see in the future. I'm already using the Lama. These all are my things. These all are my things, but only these 3 are I bought, and these all are my gifts, but this only one is useful for me for now. But this, I don't know what I'm going to do with all. I will give away whoever used the eye makeup removing, using the eye makeup. So I'll give away to them. If anyone like, please let me know. I will give if you are living in London. I can send it to you even in the post. This one I don't want. This one also I don't want. But it looks so cute package, so I don't know what I will do with this. Then that's all.